Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essential items, your account details, and the correct installer for your device. Once you have them, sign out of any other VPN and temporarily pause firewall rules that block installers. This avoids conflicts. Next, run the downloaded installer as administrator or with elevated privileges to let it write network drivers. While installing, choose the recommended defaults unless you need split tunneling or custom DNS. Those options come later because defaults prioritize stability and once installation completes, sign in and activate any license or two-factor method required. Then select the VPN protocol, choose WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility, or IKEV2 for mobile stability. Each balances speed versus resilience. Now pick a server based on latency or purpose. Lower ping for gaming, specific country for region access. Make sure to enable the kill switch, auto-connect on untrusted Wi-Fi, and DNS leak protection so your traffic stays private even if the connection drops. Finally, verify everything works. Check your IP and DNS to confirm the VPN is active, then visit geo-restricted services you need to access. If a site blocks the VPN, switch protocols or try a different server region. Often that resolves blocks. When connections fail entirely, restart the VPN client, toggle the kill switch off and on, or reboot the router and network adapters. Make sure the app is updated and keep recovery codes handy. If problems persist, contact support with logs for faster diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.